everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing. I just got this lovely little package in the mail, complete with a branded stamp right on the box. This Curiosity Shop is fancy. This is from Curiosity Art, Antiques, and Design. And we are gonna open it up. I'm gonna share with you what little treasure I have today. Oh my goodness, I am wreaking havoc on this poor little box. Okay. Got some big old fun packing peanuts and a whole bunch of bubble wrap, of course. Now I am so excited to see this in person. What this is a Victorian-era antique. And it is a piece that was actually not listed for sale. In fact, the owner of the Curiosity Shop knew that I was in the market for one of these, so he reached out to me directly to see if I was interested. And as you will see, it is a Victorian-era pincushion. I have been wanting one of these for a while. I do use pins in some of my hair work, and I always love when I can get an actual period piece, an actual Victorian-era tool that I can keep and display and sometimes even use in my hair room. So this is incredibly well packaged, well bubble wrapped, which is always, of course, very important when you are shipping delicate antiques. Starting to see it through the bubble wrap. It is so beautiful. Moment of truth, here we go. Got a couple of packing peanuts right in the bubble wrap with it. That's actually very helpful because this is an asymmetrical shaped item. And there we have it. Isn't she beautiful? The pincushion, as you can tell, is very, very tiny right on top, but this is actually a throne. And this here is carved out of a tonga nut or tagua nut. I've seen it spelled a couple of different ways. I don't know the technical word, but it is a nut that's sometimes referred to as vegetable ivory because, as you can tell, some of the carving, the consistency and the appearance is very similar to, of course, elephant ivory, but with all of the controversy around that, even back in the Victorian era, there was such a demand for ivory, but never, not always, the ability to procure it. So this nut was sometimes a stand-in for that. Look at that beautiful carved detail on this beautiful chair. Now, the really fun thing about Victorian-era pincushions is that many of them were actually stuffed with human hair, especially the ones that were made in the home, sort of DIY projects. I have referenced in past videos and even shown some hair receivers where people in the home would keep the hair that came out in their brushes and combs, and they'd store it in a little pot with a round hole on top. Often hair receiver hair was used to stuff pincushions that were made in the home. This is just beautiful condition. The cushion itself is so tiny, but it is completely sealed and nicely sewn all the way around. So I am just absolutely delighted by this piece. Clearly I can't keep too many pins in there, so I think I will keep my current pincushion as well. Obviously a modern piece, but very, very cute. She's technically a hedgehog, but I like to call her Pinkie Pine. So I think this beautiful little throne is going to be a perfect little addition to my hair room. And maybe she can help Pincupine out with holding one or two of my pins now and then. And this also reminds me so beautifully of a really fun little couplet written by Tim Burton called The Pincushion Queen. And it goes, "Life isn't easy for the pincushion queen. When she sits on her throne, pins push through her spleen." Absolutely wonderful. As always, I'll link the seller's information in the description. And this is just a short little video, but I'm delighted to share this little pincushion with you all. It is just absolutely gorgeous, and I am thrilled. So I will see you all next time. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and comment and subscribe as always. And I will see you all next time.